Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Best Buy. When you go to the supermarket, for example, you may see two different amounts of the same product for sale. In order to find out which one is the best value for money, we need to do some simple calculations. Let's look at this example here with two containers of milk, and we have different quantities. So number one, which product gives better value for money? You can see that the 2-litre container costs $4.60 and the 500 ml costs $1.45. So for the two containers of milk, we need to calculate the price per litre. That way we can do a comparison. So let's look at the large container first. $4.60 divided by 2, that gives us $2.30 per litre. Because if 2 litres cost $4.60, therefore 1 litre must cost $2.30. So there's our price per litre. For the small container, if we multiply $1.45 by 2, that gives us $2.90 per litre. Because $1.45 for 500 ml, so if you double that amount, that gives you 1 litre. So we multiply that by 2, so the small container, the value there is $2.90 per litre. We can see that the larger container provides better value for money because of the cheaper price per litre. That's quite self-explanatory. Example 2. We have 2 litres here of motor oil. So we've got motor oil, 2 litres cost $6.80, 800 mils cost $2.76. So for the 2-litre container, 2 litres costs $6.80. Therefore 1 litre costs $3.40. We just divide by 2. For the 800 ml container, 800 mils costs $2.76. So if we multiply each of these amounts by 5, that gives us 4 litres, because 5 times 800 mils is 4,000 mils, and that's 4 litres. So 4 litres costs $13.80. So 4 litres cost $13.80. So if we divide that by 4, 1 litre costs $3.45. Therefore, the 2-litre container gives better value for money, because for the 2-litre container, 1 litre works out at $3.40. For the smaller container, 1 litre works out at $3.45. So you can see that this one here gives better value for money. Here we have some apple juice. So for the 3 litres, we pay $4.80. For 400 ml, we pay 70 cents. So the 3-litre container, we have 3 litres cost $4.80. Therefore 1 litre must cost $1.60. Just divide that by 3. So there's $1.60 there for the 1 litre. Okay, so 1 litre, $1.60. For the 400 ml container, 400 mils cost 70 cents. If we multiply each of these by 5, that gives us 2 litres, because 5 times 400 is 2,000 mils, which is 2 litres. So 2 litres costs $3.50. Therefore 1 litre costs $1.75. Okay, so there's $1.75 for 1 litre. So the 3-litre container gives better value for money, because for the 3-litre container, 1 litre costs $1.60. For the smaller container, 1 litre costs $1.75. So this video has introduced us to the idea of Best Buy, and in order to find which is the best buy or the better buy, all you have to do is work out the price per litre for each container, and that way you can make a comparison.